Welcome, everyone. My name is Akayemi, and I'm a solo explorer. I love traveling, nature, knowledge, and healthy overall well being. This channel is a way for me to document and share a piece of my experience with you. Thank you for being here and engaging, subscribing, and liking my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Seriously, I was contemplating spending $100 and something for some window covers, but decided I'm just going to make my own. The same way I did for my other car. I'm not doing no extra expenses, even though I think it'd be easier to just get those, but not. Time to get these covers made for this truck. Got window 1 done. Now to shape window 2. I can't shape this one from out here because it actually is smaller than what you see out here. So we're gonna have to do this from the inside. I'm gonna use a permanent marker to shape this one. And I wanna give extra room to cut. I will make the cut a little bit bigger than the shape of the window so I can have extra room. Now is the time to see how well these fit this way before I do the finishing touches. Can definitely trim off a little bit more from this one. Can trim off a little bit more off of that one as well. And I could trim off a little bit off of this one as well. The main thing is to not have it too small. I'd rather it be bigger than the window than smaller, and I have light spots when I go to, camp. So I'm going to trim off some edges and then do some final touching up. Again, I'm going to mark it off with a permanent marker. Using Gorilla Tape, this stuff is crazy sticky. So it is a little bit challenging trying to get this on these window covers. So let's go through it. I couldn't get this stuff off of this side, so this will be the fabric side for this cover. daggone skin off. It's crazy sticky. I ran out of tape, but I went on and at least made sure that the corners or the edges had it as much as possible. But that's the best I could do. Snack of champions. Now I'm going to use this fabric to cut out for the other side of this. So black could be on one side and the reflectors on the other side. Now that I have the fabric all cut out, I'm going to staple this fabric onto here, which was a suggestion of somebody that watched me make my covers for my older vehicle. And so I'm gonna try that on here now. As you can see, there is an opening over here. And for me, I'll probably put up screens over top of that when I'm sleeping, but there is a little gap. This is actually the best one, except for this little space right here. You can see, has a really big gap here. So my black screens that I put over, it will definitely cover that up, but it will have a little space in here for somebody to be able to peek through if they really tried hard enough. Again, good tint on this side. This one keeps falling out, so I will definitely have to find a new way to put that up. There's nothing that's keeping these up, like trying to push them up. It's really nothing that's going to hold them in place. So I'll definitely have to probably put some Velcro or something up. But I'll figure out what I need to do to jimmy it just for camping. Look at that. There are the rest of them I haven't put up yet, but let me try them. This window has a gap as well, as you can see right there. So definitely not a perfect job. So this is the final job. This window has tint on it, so that's why it looks black. As opposed to looking like that, which I like. But all of the windows are now covered, well, the side windows from my little project. Really need to go ahead and get these windows tinted because I really like how it looks black from the tint. This window, this does not stay up, so I'll probably have to use Velcro to help it stay. So I will figure it out. One thing I do know is that I'm not getting ready to spend any money right now on other forms of window covers. I just don't want to spend that kind of money. And this right here will do the job. The back, I'm going to probably put curtains up there instead. And I have a front window cover already, so that'd be good for me. This is just ideal for what I do. But I think if I was living in my vehicle, I would probably invest in something that's a lot easier. But these are just perfectly fine. Wouldn't you agree? All right. So until the next time, everyone, good mental health, good spiritual health, and as always, good physical health. Y'all take great care.